Hey ladies, I'm going to show you how to take attendance really quick. So you're going to go to the CCISD portal and you're going to go to your Skyward Student Management. The username is your email minus the at CCISD, and your password is going to be the same as your email. Ooh. Once you get in, you're going to go to Teacher Access and then Post Daily Attendance. Right now, we don't have any kids listed, obviously, because school hasn't started. They haven't been uploaded to the attendance portion of it. And right here, you'll see Post Attendance by name. You'll click by name, and then from there, your student roster is going to pop up, and you'll see all your kids. It automatically marks all your kids present. So the only thing you need to do is, if the child's not there, is mark them absent. If they came in, you're going to notice there's an option for either tardy or virtual. We don't have any virtual students, so we don't need to worry about that. That's for our lovely virtual teachers. And then there's also the option for tardy. We don't mark the students tardy. Even if they came in late, the front office takes care of that. So the only thing we're going to do is mark them if they are absent. Once you've done that, you're going to hit submit. We have about a 5-minute when the tardy bell goes off at 9:30. We have about a 5-minute window after that to get attendance in. So it's really important when you hear that bell, even if you're in the middle of a lesson, you need to stop what you're doing and go on ahead and post that attendance. They will call us if we forget. Something to think about: if you haven't already downloaded that Skyward app onto your phone, I would have that, because we are going to be transitioning to specials around the attendance time. So it'll be nicer just to kind of have it on your phone to be able to post attendance that way. I hope that was helpful, ladies. Bye.